Pour yourself a glass of cold Prosecco and let's make a little taste of Tuscany. Stuffed deep fried zucchini flowers. For our taste of Tuscany, we need zucchini flowers. Trim them on the stem. Some will be growing on the top of a small zucchini, which will be great for deep frying. Let's make a basic marinara dipping sauce. Some olive oil in a saucepan, a couple of cloves of garlic, some twists of black pepper, some fresh basil from the garden. Just tear it. You don't have to cut it. Put it in the saucepan. Some sea salt, about 2 ounces of tomato paste, and a good cup of tomato passata. Give it a stir, put the lid on, and let it simmer for about an hour. After you've gently rinsed your zucchini flowers, you want to remove the crocus in the middle. Just give it a little pry, be very gentle not to rip your flowers, and then remove it. In some paper towels, you want a tablespoon of ricotta cheese for each flower that you're going to stuff. Then wrap up the ricotta cheese and squeeze out the excess liquid. In your mixing bowl, you're going to want about a teaspoon of Parmesan for each flower that you're stuffing, and then about a half a teaspoon per each flower you're going to stuff of mozzarella, then some black pepper, little bit of sea salt, and then mix it all up thoroughly. Take a heaping tablespoon of your cheese mixture and then put it gently into your zucchini flower, and then mold the leaves up to the top. You want a little bit of the cheese towards the top to hold the flowers together. For the batter, you want 2 cups of flour in a mixing bowl, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, season with a few twists of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 cup of ice cold water. Crack in 2 fresh eggs. Then with a spoon or a fork, gently fold to create a batter. Then add a little more ice cold water till you get the consistency of a pancake batter. Put some flour, about a cup or so, in a separate dish. Heat your vegetable oil up to a medium temp. To see if it's ready, drop a couple of drops of batter in. Gently roll your stuffed zucchini blossom in the flour. Then dip it into the batter mixture. And you can just sort of wipe the excess off on the edge of the mixing bowl. Gently lower your stuffed battered zucchini flowers into the oil. Once they're golden brown on the bottom, gently turn them over. Once they're fully golden brown on both sides, gently take them out of the oil and place them to drain on a paper towel. And completely optional, you could also deep fry some zucchini slices. And in the same manner as the zucchini blossoms, roll them in flour, dip them in the batter, then deep fry them until golden brown on both sides.